Mr. Nelson. What's up, sir?
You want to give me oh, do the demo first. I'll hear it first. Yeah. That looks cool. Wow. This is different. I like it.
Shoes cost me 35. Doing all suicide. Cold blooded murder. Cold-blooded murder. Fucking with me, that's in your dreams. My reality is a dream. Pull up on them and make a scene. Not alone in self-esteem. I'm in a black bitch, cool. I'm a bad bitch, too. Smoking cabbage, S-class, fuck school. I've been out past 2. Only know about 2. Styrofoam gets cool. VBS is on the tour. It's a cold-blooded murder. Why your turn, they gon' have to turn up. All the others on the feet, bitch. Shipe on the beat, python on the seat, sensors on the beat. Shoot that young nigga, shredded like a motherfucker. All the niggas kiss you weed, now it's last summer. Oops, got rid of the roof. In a world full of lies, still speaking the truth. Cause all that money that you don't know about. Hit the scene and get short out. Rock designer you never heard of. Cold-blooded murder. Chris got me heavy-eyed. Shoes cost me 35. Doing all suicide.
That's got good bandwidth too.
Yeah, I love it.
So, is that like, I would call it a trunk blow. A trunk blow through. Is that 4 12s?
Yeah, 4
Okay, wow, you fit 4 12s in that. Wow.
Yeah, we built it in. It took us about a week.
So how did you fit it? You built it into the trunk.
Yeah, we built
That's
it.
how you did it. Okay. I was really curious on that one.
Kind of underpowered too.
It is?
We only got it on one Orion 4K, so they're not seeing much power.
Okay. Orion 4K 1 ohm, half, what do you wire
I
to?
think he's got it at half.
Half ohm? Okay. All right. Can I see the back amp? Yeah.
This is my daughter right here. She's the future Basshead.
There we go. Dude, if you, yeah, at first I was like, how did you make that fit in there?
You like that?
But you made it, you built it into it, man.
Built it all the way in, yeah. It's total built-in for it.
And you got the back seat.
And it works perfect.
Yeah. Jesus.
Yeah, I got the fans and all.
Daniel's gonna do it. Hey. Nice setup, bro.
It gets that. Look here. I built it for 8K. She's got 2 4Ks. And the other one went up in smoke. It's actually being repaired right now.
Okay.
So when she gets the power on, I'm like supposed to. Huh?
Awesome. I was gonna say, you filled up the trunk.
Yeah. That's that new. That's
Concrete?
That's that bag foam.
Really,
That's
the
just
concrete?
Yeah. No, it's not concrete. It's foam.
Really?
But it's hard as
Dude.
a rock, dude. That's what I got all the way across my roof.
Damn. Are these the 5Qs?
Yeah.
Q series.
Yep.
Are those
They're the custom built.
They are?
You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? They're-
Yeah.
they got a 25-watt full.
Okay. Wow.
It sounds good now.
Mr. Nelson. What's up, sir?
to build it. But it's completely in every one of the main braces going in. It's completely attached to the vehicle.
So that's how you prevented it from flexing.
Yeah, there's no flex whatsoever. So that way.
And what is it specs?
It's actually a 1.5 to 1. 1.5 to 1 fourth order.
Wow.
We're running 1 1/4 seal per sub.
S-class, fuck school, I've been out past 2, rolling on about 2, styrofoam, get screwed, BBS is on the tour. That's a cold-blooded murder, my attorney gon' have to turn up. One of the others on the feet, bitch, shipe on the beat, pipe. 10 swords on the beat, shoot that young nigga, shredded like a motherfucker. All that niggas catch you weed, now we lost summer. Who's got rid of the roof? Hit 'em up, still speaking the truth. I got money that you.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.